Hello, my name is Colby Sharp. I am a fifth grade teacher in Michigan. Welcome to my channel where we try to help kids fall in love with reading. And one day each week I open up a bunch of books that I got in the mail from publishers and authors and friends, and we talk about them and we add them to our to-read list. So if there's any books that I talk about during this video that you think look amazing and you want to read, let me know in the comments, because seriously, that's how I'm prioritizing what books to read, because at times I get overwhelmed by which books I should read first. So let me know down in the comments, which ones of these books do you think I should add to my to-read list? Because there's a lot of good books. Let me know down in the comments. I'm just going to open them up, share them. I'm going to do my best to talk about them. Don't really know what we're going to find here, but what I do know is it's going to be fun. All right, let's see. Oh, very first up, Neil and Jared Shusterman, Roxy. For many people, Neil's books are absolute instant top of the pile books. So I know that my wife is a huge fan of Neil's books, so I'm so excited to show her this because she's going to read it, I'm sure, instantly, and then maybe I can read it when she's done. But that's very exciting. Roxy, Neil Shusterman. Very exciting. This book looks terrifying to me. Vespertine. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sure you probably know a kid, if you teach high schoolers, who's going to devour that one. All right. Oh, I read this. Frankie and Bug. Super good. And I also read this one. Violets Are Blue. I've already got copies of these, so you should read these. I'm going to send these probably to a middle school classroom because I already have copies. But you should probably read these because they're both fantastic. It's like I instantly, reading both books, knew readers that I should hand these to. And I did that. I handed them to them because they're stinking awesome. All right, next up, I'm so excited to read this, The Hunger Heroes, Mist, Meal, Mayhem, Jared Lerner. I adore Jared's work. I think he's one of the most giving and kindest people on the internet. And he's got a graphic novel, and it is so stinking fun. I wonder if my kids will read this with me because it looks really awesome. So this book is coming out in October, so I'm definitely gonna read this like this week. Hunger Heroes, graphic novel. So exciting, so exciting. All right, let's see what we have here. This box is from Simon & Schuster. Let's see what they have gifted me. The Other Side of Luck by Ginger Johnson. Their story began with luck. Courage rewrote their destiny. Oh, Ginger Johnson, that sounds good. Don't know anything about it, but looks pretty good. The Other Side of Luck, awesome. So this is a bag from my friend Anne. So most of these are from publishers, but this is from my friend Anne. So thanks, Anne. Anne works for a company called Bookalicious, which I've been kind of doing some work with and stuff, and having a lot of fun. So let's see what Anne sent me in the mail. She used to work for Scholastic Book Fairs. That's right. Oh, seriously. Very tight package here, Anne. Oh. All right, we can do this. We can do hard things. Oh, cool. Have a look at a professional picture book and a professional book. So we have Rooted in Strength, using translanguaging to grow multilingual readers and writers, from Scholastic. Awesome. And Malcolm Mitchell's my very favorite book in the whole wide world, which I love this book. And I will definitely be reading this one to my students. So thanks, Anne. Oh, there's a fun little letter in here. I will read that a little bit later. And a fun little Bookalicious bookmark. Check it out. It's a pretty cool little website there. I know they're doing some good things. Take a little screenshot there. Visit that website when you get a moment. All right, let's see what we have here. It's a very picture booky. I Am You. That looks cool. We may be different, but our hearts beat the same. Aww. Tugs at a teacher's heartstrings right there. All right, so it's hard to decide. I have so many books. I won't open all of these today. Probably just do a few and then save the rest for next week's video. Ugh. Okay. Ooh. Rescuing the Titanic, the true story of quiet bravery in the North Atlantic. That sounds cool. Oh, this sounds like it's like the people who like tried to rescue the people during like after the Titanic was going down. I don't know. It looks beautiful. There are some topics that just kids are fascinated by, maybe just humans are fascinated by and can't get enough of. The Titanic is always intriguing to students every single year. They're always curious about that, which I think is so interesting because we live in a world where everything is bigger and faster and more technology than the time of the Titanic, but they're still super interested in it. Isn't that so wild? I'm curious about why. I always wonder that. Do you know why? Why do you think it is? It doesn't seem like my kids are as interested in like the moonwalk, Neil Armstrong walking on the moon, but they are, which is, you know, pretty wild thing. I don't know, just curious about it. Beyonce, let's go. It's a fun biography series. Queen, love it. True animal stories, animal heroes. Oh, I love animal hero stories, like true stories about animals. Is that what these are? True stories of animal heroes. Yeah, I think I already said that. To check those out. That sounds really fun. This is very heavy. Thank you to all the publishers who sent me these boxes of books. It's exciting. It's such a privilege to get a chance to do this stuff. All right, let's see. Oh, this is a big box here. Sorry if that was loud, but insert your ears. Thanks for the letter. Okay, a quick history of money. I am so interested in money and finance and budgets and all that stuff, so I'm very curious about that. A couple board books here. Animal 1, 2, 3, Animal ABC. Let's give you a quick peek at Animal ABC. Oh, I love this. Look at the art in here. It's so fun. I wonder, Normal, do you have a letter that you always look at? I used to. I feel like I used to do that. I used to have like a letter that I would always look at in when it came to those kinds of things, like ABC books. So this is fun, Mindy. This is cool. So we're getting like, you know, I watch The Office and stuff, so I'm a fan of that. Moose Fairy. A Little Book of Courage. It's got like this little cutout here. That's cool. See that? I have to check that out. First book of dinosaur comparisons. We will be reading this book in my family probably every night for a long time because that's what we do. We are obsessed with dinosaurs with the little children in my home. That's exciting. Michelle. Nice. Inside animals. Oh, that's fun. Bizarre look inside their bodies. Skeletons. Inside a gorilla. Lungs and breathing. Inside a jellyfish. Inside an elephant. That looks cool. 21 cross sections in this book. Birds, bugs, different things from the animal kingdom. That looks really cool. This book is feminist. That's awesome. Who has the power? Who creates the rules? How do identities intersect? Awesome. Delightfully different Dilly. It's fun to say. Good girls don't make history. Let's go. We have another animal color, another animal one that we saw the ABC a little earlier. We'll pick number 6. Those is colors, not numbers. That's embarrassing. Oh, this is fun. When plants took over the planet. Amazing story of plant evolution. Oh my gosh, I don't know anything about that topic. It sounds so stinking interesting to me. Sorry about that. I was cut off by a timer. Not sure how that transition is going to work in this video, but I'm so excited to tell you about this. The world's most pointless. And then it says wonderful, but that's covered. Oh, it says the world's most wonderful animals, but wonderful is crossed off, and it says pointless. Then it's got like those little asterisks and it says, or are they? So sleeps all day, never takes a day off. What is it? No respect for statues. This looks super fun. Coconut, like just seriously. People are so creative. That was way too fast. Me showing you way too fast. I gotta slow down a little bit. Daddy long. Seriously, like who wouldn't want to, like, well, who wouldn't walk into a library and see this book on display? Like, how could you not pick this up? Seriously. That looks so fun. The natural world is filled with countless weird, wild, and wonderful creatures of all shapes and species. Meet the world's laziest mammal. Learn why one animal eats coral and poops sand. I actually saw that animal that eats coral and poops sand when I was in Hawaii recently, so it's kind of fun. All right, a couple more packages here. This one has like a box, so that's usually means, oh, making a mess. Making a mess. Oh, this is a dirty package. Not like dirty, it's like, actually I prefer these packages because but I didn't open, I should open it from the top and that wouldn't happen, but it's much better for the environment. So, let's see, so just make a box with a rubber band around it. Curious about that. It's very, This is from my friend Trevor. He didn't write the book, but he sent this letter. Thanks, Trevor. Nice box. 2 more rubber bands. Trevor's a big record guy. Just have a record podcast. So if you read Amal and Bound, which so many of us did, it was an absolutely life-changing book. We were very excited that Aisha is back with Omar Rising. Look at that. When the system is broken, you have to rise up. I don't know anything except for this is a must-read book. So thanks, Trevor and Penguin. I am stoked to, isn't it just, look at that cover. Let's go. Whew. So excited. I'm distracted. I need to refocus, open a couple more packages, and then we will let you go. All right, this one is from Macmillan. Feels like it could be another box. This is a good mail day. Willowdene. I think that's how I say it. The earth is old and we are not. And that is all you must remember. By Newbery medalist Katherine Applegate. Oh, look at this stuff. So we have a lollipop. Go green with Willowdene. A treat for you and a treat for the earth. Well, that's exciting. Eat your lollipop. Plant your biodegradable stick. Water and grow baby blue eyes. Seriously? Who's in charge over there at Macmillan making these awesome packages? Give that person a raise. Oh, that's so fun. Dear reader. What am I going to read next? Oh, this is a letter from Katherine Applegate, not to me, but to readers. So I'm going to have to read that. Oh, that's beautiful. A timely and timeless tale about our fragile earth and one girl's fierce determination to make a difference. This is all very exciting. Oh, you don't even, the book isn't even in here. That's hilarious. So you can download the copy of the book to read digitally with this card. But the book is not in here. That's hilarious because I just assumed that the book would be in here. But I got my lollipop. I got my little package. I'm gonna put this back. I cannot wait to read Willowdene. When does it come out? Does it say? I'm guessing it's this fall. So Willowdene coming soon. Oh, there's a website. ReadWillowdene.com. Holy smokes. So there's a lot to read. I cannot wait. So many amazing books to be read, added to the to-read list. Got some good nonfiction in there, which is always a weakness of mine. I can't wait to read it. So thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome-tastic day.